Okay, this is the D melodic minor, also known as the Ionian flat third. So it's the same as a Ionian scale, except you flat the third. So 1, 2. So this is this one. Instead of playing like in a major progression, you flat the third. So you can call it a major flat thirds. You don't have to say Ionian, although Ionian and major are the same thing, okay? Not to be too confusing when it comes to modes. But we are discussing the melodic minor scale, particularly in D, and we're going to start on the 6th string with our first finger, 10th fret. 10, 12th, and 13th frets with the 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers. Moving up to the 5th string on the 10th and 12th frets, the 1st and 3rd fingers. Up on the 4th string, we're going to move down to the 9th fret, and we're going to use a 1, 3, 4 pattern. The 9th, 11th, and 12th frets. 3rd string, 1st finger also goes on the 9th fret, but instead of playing 9, 11, and 12, you're going to play 9, 10, 12. So far we have now it's a 1, 3, 4 on the 4th string, 9th, 11th, and 12th frets, and then a 1, 2, 4, 1st, 2nd, and 4th fingers, 9th, 10th, and 12th frets on the 3rd string. I think it's best to use your 2nd and 4th fingers on the 2nd string for the 10th and 12th frets, so you can get right into the 9th and 10th frets. And that's the scale in itself. What you saw me do before was just extra, but I gave you this extension up to the 12th and 13th frets because it gives you more options. D melodic minor. Some related chords, okay? D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A major, B flat diminished, C sharp diminished, and then go back to the D minor. Okay? D minor, E minor, you can play your F this way, G, A, there's the diminished, looks like a D, so make it like a D shape, starting on the 4th string of the 6th fret, just adding your 4th finger into the on the 1st string, 7th fret. So that's what it looks like. That's a B flat diminished. This one's ruling, the 4th finger's ruling in this case, the chord, to a C sharp diminished. You can even play a C minor 7 flat, C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Back to D minor. Say we just played this progression. D minor. By the way, these related chords, I mean, you can use these chords in any combination, and the melodic minor, the D melodic minor scale would go beautifully in those chords. But say if you wanted to play, I don't know, that progression, D minor to E minor. Say we got something like this. It's a fun little lick. Hesitate right there on the 11th fret. Actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me show you what the scale looks like. Okay, starting on the 1st string. Starting on the 6th string with the 1st finger. So that's the 6th string. Once again, 1st finger. And there's your pattern. 1, 3, 4. Changing strings. Get your fingers right there. And you can screenshot this. You can write it out on a blank piece of paper. Draw 6 lines. Learn the pattern. we've gone over natural minor. We've gone over harmonic minor. This is the melodic minor, which has the raised 6th and 7th notes. You know, there's 8 scales, 8 notes in a scale, 7 different notes. So the 6th and 7th. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7 rather. Those 6th and 7th notes of this D melodic minor scale there we have it. Those 2 notes are the 6th and 7th degrees of that scale. They're raised a half step, a sharp, okay? And use some of these related chords, which are right down there. And here's the little lick that I gave you. Right here. Related chords. And there's that scale right there. Or the lick right there. Starting on the 12th fret with the 4th finger. Now, if you're not used to starting on a scale or a lick with your 4th finger, try to get used to it. You can always do exercises like this to strengthen it up. Put your 3rd and your 2nd, or even your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger down and do hammer-ons and pull-offs. That'll strengthen up your muscles. But for this particular riff, this little lick here, we're going to start on the 4th string, 12th fret with the 4th finger. 12, then 9th, 10th, 12th on the 3rd string. 4th string, 12th fret. Then go backwards. Pause right there on the 11th fret of the 11th fret of the 4th string with your 3rd finger. Go back. And then, there we go. So, yeah, this is... You can go up here. What I'm playing right there is just back and forth between, I like using the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. So a 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, starting on that 4th string, 9th fret. You don't have to start on that D note. That's not the D note, that's the B note. Even though we're in D minor, it works just fine. There we go. So just it's a 9, 11, 12. 12th frets, 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers, and then 9th, 10th, and 12th, 1st, 2nd, and 4th. Do some things like that. All right, so remember, D melodic minor. It's one of the 3 minor scales: the natural minor, the harmonic minor, and the melodic minor. And this one, to me, sounds a little less minor-y than the harmonic minor, but that's just my opinion. It's the same. You can call it a flatted 3rd major scale. It's a D major scale with a flatted 3rd. That's the melodic minor. The same thing. Got those related chords again: D minor, E minor. It's like the diatonic scale, but using chords. There you go. There you have it. That's D melodic minor once again. Hope you enjoy it. Here's another screenshot in case you didn't get it all. And that should be helpful right there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment if you have any. Keep playing and have fun.